Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we'll be playing the Kingshot game. I'll show you how to play it. So first off, of course, make sure to download it. You go to Play Store, type in Kingshot, and then download it, then press on play. So it's a pretty simple game where you just have a character and you have to defend your settlement from enemies. Pretty cool, I guess. So in order to start, as you can see, we are in our hometown now, and in order to pretty much progress in the game, as you can see, we'll have to build some defenses. That's something that you will do in the very intro part of the game. So as you can see, we have defensive towers, alarm bell, that's for if the enemies are attacking us, we can make sure to let everyone know that we are being attacked. Also, we have the houses, of course, so people need to live somewhere, eat somewhere, cook the food and stuff, so just make sure to build them. Also, as you can see, we need to build the sawmill, so let us do that. There you go. And now we can click on it, and we have a workbench upgrade. Also, we can build furniture, right? Let us upgrade it, actually. Oh, we need a town center level 2. Okay. And also, you go to residence and make sure to add someone as a resident, alright? So that someone comes here and can live here. Also, we can, as you can see, cut wood. If you wish to collect some wood, we can cut it. So now our hero comes there, and let us cut some wood. Alright, there you go. And now assign resident to a sawmill. Let us do that. Oh, we already have a guy, right? Let me see. Yeah, we do. He's just not here. Alright, let's try upgrading our town center. There you go. Upgrade will commence in about 6 seconds. There you go. And now we have the rebel invasion. So now you have to defend yourself. Alright, so I guess they will attack in 20 minutes or something. Let us now build a defense tower. You can build a arrow tower or crossbow tower. Let's build. There you go. Great. We can also upgrade it, I guess. Yep. Let's upgrade. There you go. And you just play like this. You upgrade your settlement and also defend from the enemies that sometimes attack your settlement. Also, there's loot sometimes, as you can see on the map. Let's see what's in this box. Alright, just a bit of bread and food, I guess. Alright, so you just run around, make sure to pretty much upgrade as much as you can, and then when you're attacked, just go ahead and defend yourself. That's pretty much the game, guys. So if this video helped you out, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.